What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I love all things makeup and beauty, and I'm also a mother, so I do apologize in advance for my children or any noises, all that good stuff. I'm feeling the vibes. So actually, I tried to film this look yesterday, but bitch, okay, the universe was telling me not to do it, but I tried anyways, and let me tell you, I fucked my shit up, okay? So, I tried to, like, ribbon the gold around the white yesterday, and it was a much better idea in my head because I couldn't execute it for shit. So, yeah. So these are the vibes today. Feeling very Christmassy. I feel real fucking cute. I've been working on matching my foundations better to my neck, and I feel like I've been doing a pretty okay job of that as of lately. So I'm super proud of myself. Pat on the back. But yeah, so I'm just going to be doing my eyes in today's tutorial because it is a long one. And of course, I'm going to be using my Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette because that's all the colors I needed to execute this look. So yeah, so if you want to see how I created this beautiful look, or if you guys have any other ideas of looks that you want to see, definitely leave a comment down below and let me know like what videos you guys want to see. And yeah, so if you want to see this look, then just keep on watching. Starting off as always by priming my eyelids using my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 2. Okay, so I primed both of my eyes. I'll retap this one in before I go in with it because it's gonna crease along those two lines right there. But I wanted to prime it both before I put the tape down, and then obviously put the tape down so that they match before I do my eyes. So yeah. I'm going to be jumping into my Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette. I'm going to start by taking this red right here called Blaze. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start packing the color down like I always do. And then I'll start blending it out. But I'm going to keep this, so you see where I'm starting to pack it right above that crease? I'm going to keep this in a half circle shape like that. Next, I'm going to take some of this orangey shade called Sundown. This is going to be the lightest shade that I use. I'm just going to go right in and just start buffing it out. Next, I'm going to take this deep dark red right here called Chili Pepper, and I'm really going to pack this down. Now I'm going to take the teeniest amount of Black Beach, and I literally mean just the teensiest amount. I just one little push into it and then Then I'm going with all my previous colors and then a clean brush at the end to perfect my blend. So now I need a nice, crisp, clean line, so I'm going to cut out my crease using some Vaseline. So now that that's cut, I'm going to take my Hank and Henry, I'm going to take the loose pearls, and the name of this one is the King's Queen, so it's the gold. This little magic trick that I figured out. These are so fucking hard to open, but I just stick my tweezers. So now I'm going to take my Duo Lash Glue and do a line of this gold glitter. Okay, so to get off all this glitter, I'm going to take some more of my tape. I'm just gonna, Next, I'm going to be taking my Suva Beauty Hydroliner, and this one is in Space Panda. And I'm going to go ahead and do a line directly under that gold. I'm gonna take a Q-tip and I'm gonna lick it. So it's wet because they're hydroliners, which means they're water activated. So I can just clean this up with a wet Q-tip. Now I'm going to take my P. Louise Basic Brights, and this one is in Hint of Mint. So now I'm going to start by taking Forest. Next, I'm going to take Forest. Oh, Tropics, not Forest. It's called Tropics. I just took Forest. Now I'm going to take Key Lime. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. Alright, and then I'm going to take a little bit of black right on that outer corner. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with all of my colors and just make sure they're nice and vibrant and blended well. So that looks pretty good. Are we ready for the big reveal? Shling. I haven't decided what I'm going to do under my eyes, whether I'm going to do green or red yet. So I'm going to go ahead and do this eye and my face makeup, and then we can come back and finish up the look. Okay, my face is done. I did this eye. My kids are fucking shit up per usual, so you know it's going to be a good day. So I have my sweet darling little teething child in my arms, so he be's quiet, but we're gonna do this eye. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm going to be taking this eyeliner. Ooh, I'm going to poke my freaking eye out. Watch that. Okay. Ooh. Now I'm going to take Chili Pepper, which is the deepest, darkest red. Okay, and then I'm going to take some of Blaze, just on the same brush, because why not? This is really hard to do, because I need to look up, but I can't hold my mirror, so yeah. That's going to have to work for now. And then I'm going to take Sundown, just on a small little brush. Buff that up. I'm going to take the black and just kind of give it a little dusty dust. I think I'm just going to take these lashes in Carly because they're very, like, I know there's a lot going on with this look, but I feel like some nice dramatic lashes are going to complement it really well. So yeah, and then I'm going to go ahead and throw on my lippy. Do something with my motherfucking hair because it looks awful. And then, yeah. Okay, so here is the completed look. I always regret cutting my bangs, but they look so cute sometimes. But yeah, so I just, you know, get my hair a little curly curl through some jewelry, you know, some jewelry, my necklace, my tweely earrings. Aren't they so fucking pretty? And then my lippy is this Milani lippy in Honey Rose. So yeah, I also threw a little gloss over it so it'll stay. I like glossy lips, I don't know. So yeah, so here is the completed look. Oh, my highlighter. Hank and Henry Nightlight. Yeah, Hank and Henry Nightlight, bitch. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and roll the clip.